2015 WAEC question, change the subject of relation or change the subject of formula. They gave us T equals to this. Tk minus H all over K minus H. What do we do to remove this square root? We just square both sides. We square here and we square T. So we now have T squared. We now give us this, will cancel this. We should have Tk minus H all over K minus H. The square root sign is gone because of this square. This one have now acquired a square. Because of this equal to, we will cross multiply. Here we times here we times here. We will now 1 times everything here should give us T K minus H will be equals to T times this will give us T squared K minus this times is T squared H. We'll simply, remember we are trying to make K the subject of the formula. So what do? We have Tk minus H. Then we have equal to T squared K minus this. So what we'll simply do is to collect our like terms. This one will come over here. Why this one? Tk will go and meet Tk. Why Th will go and meet H? So what we'll have is this. We'll have our, this will come over. It will now be T squared H minus H will give us T squared K minus Tk. We have, look at what we did, we collected like terms. This one is carrying H and there's H here, so it will come over. Because it is minus here, once it's coming over, it will change to cross. That's why there's no minus again. This one is Tk and there's Tk here. So because it's crossing, it will change to minus. That's why we now have Tk, T squared K minus Tk, this Tk, that's why it's now carrying minus. What do we now do? What are we trying to make subject of the formula? We are trying to make K the subject of the formula. So here, what we will now do is we are going to factorize both sides. We are going to factorize, especially this side where we have K. If you factorize here, we now have T squared H minus H equals to, we have K here, we will now have K T squared minus T. So we will now have T squared H minus H equals to K T squared minus T. What do we now do to K to be alone? We simply divide both sides by this bracket. Divide by T squared minus T. Divide by T squared minus T. Cancel, cancel. K is now alone. Therefore, K will give us T squared H minus H all over T squared minus T. But you can now still say, you can also factorize this place. You will not get, you bring that H. If you bring that H, divide there by H, you will now have only T squared. Divide there by H, you have 1. That's why you have 1 here. So you will now, if you now be here, we now H bracket T squared minus 1 all over. You bring this in that. T squared minus T. So after solving everything, our K is H bracket T squared minus 1 plus bracket T squared minus T. This is the final answer. If you did not follow or did not understand what we just said, I encourage you to take your time, watch this tutorial, this particular video over and over again. That is one. Go over to our channel, you will see many other studies, many other cases we have handled on change of solid or formula. Also watch them so you will be able to understand. If you have not subscribed to our channel, click on subscribe right now and click on the small bell so that you'll be able to follow up on our other posts. If you have questions, feel free to ask us in the comment section. If there is any topic you want us to handle, any question you want us to help you and solve, go over to our YouTube, our email address, send me an email, join our book club right now where we study together and read together. Thank you for coming to class.